Did you miss me? Okay, this is part 2. I literally just restarted filming. I have a sickness. I have a problem. A little bit of Chanel shopping. Oops, I did it again. I wanted to keep this separate because I want to make this its own video. Because this is a bag that I've been talking about for a very, very long time and I never got. And they happen to have it. And I don't know if it's hard to get now or not, but I am assuming that it is. And I just took that as a sign to get it because they had one available. And I never see this available, so I got it. So it is a tiny little bag. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing. So we're doing a quick Chanel unboxing part 2. This is part 2. So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic. And today we're doing a quick unboxing. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. We're doing a Chanel unboxing of a bag that I've talked about, that I was excited about, and now that I got. Okay, so if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please, yay! Okay, you guys. I got a little surprise Chanel munchkin. Okay, for myself. That was really cute. Okay, so here she is. The box pretty much gives it away, but the box doesn't give it away, but the box is quite a particular size. So this is something I talked about on my channel before. This is something they launched recently, and it's not a permanent collection, but it comes back every now and then. And I tried to get it the first time, but there was a wait list and you could not just walk in and get it, and you had to wait and blah, blah, blah. So I didn't get it. I put my name on the wait list, I waited, and I didn't get it at multiple stores. And then it comes in 2 sizes. They didn't have the bigger size. I would have wanted the bigger size, but I settled for the little size, even though it's so little and so cute. Because it's so little, it's so cute. Okay, so this is the tiny little munchkin. I got it! Oh, Nano! It is a Nano, I don't know what it's called, the Nano Shopper? Yeah, Nano Shopper. It's a little, like a tiny little clutch bag, literally for your wallet, for your cards. It does not fit much, but it comes with its little chain, so you can wear it shoulder or crossbody. It's just, you know, it's giving its own little vibe, its own little moments. But this is something, if you guys watch my channel, you know, I've talked about this bag for a while. I did a whole video on it, and I really wanted to get it, and then I didn't, and then I kind of gave up. But I wasn't gonna get it, and I was okay with it. And then I just walked in the store looking for glasses, and they happened to have it, and I was like, oh, well, is this a sign? I think it is. So here we are with my newest little munchkin. It's like just a cute little, like, for going out, right? Like, or like, I don't know. It's got 1 card slot in the back, so it actually can put more than cards in it. You just put your cards in the back, and then, like, your little things. And it's, you know, reminiscent of their old Chanel, the Chanel Kelly, right? Look at that. Like, little Kelly, my mini Kelly. It's my mini Kelly. You guys, it's my mini Kelly, because I haven't gotten a mini Kelly from Hermes yet. So this is my mini Kelly for now. I got a mini Kelly, I got a mini Kelly, I got a mini Kelly, mini Kelly. Nano Kelly, actually. Okay, so there she is. We love her in all her glory. That's all I got. Wait to talk about her more later. Okay. Thank you guys. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Be sure with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your anything extended. Turn your channel value. Appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one.